Bonjour et bienvenue à Part 2 de Paris, which I think is hello and welcome to Part 2 of Paris. My butt hurts a lot because we haven't ridden bikes in a very long time since before yesterday. Riding them for hours on end makes you rather sore. Worth it.
Hey, Sarah? Are you Sarah?
Bye, Sarah Bear. You may have hurt my ass, but you helped my feet. Always remember your girl.
Liam, stop. You're so embarrassing.
Wait, that's actually kind of sad. That was so much fun. And now walking is just so lame.
Oh, I hate walking.
Yeah, me too. Behind me here is the Louvre. We're gonna do that at some point today, but it's supposed to rain later on, so we're gonna try and wait till then. Right now, we're going to do the Louvre Gardens. So,
Royal.
right,
Jardin du Palace Royal.
that one.
I speak French now.
She speaks, yeah. Okay, here comes the rain, so Louvre time. Alrighty, we are in the Louvre, and honestly, I'm kind of more excited to see the different parts of the buildings than I am more so the paintings. I've never been a huge art fan, but I love architecture and beautiful buildings, and I'm sure the Louvre is going to have plenty of that. But the art's a nice plus, I guess. We just finished the Louvre, and I kind of want to take back what I said at the beginning. Though I'm not like an art enthusiast or anything, because I'm really not, I know nothing about art. The stuff in there was like, amazing. The paintings were like, I don't physically know how you can do stuff like that with paint. The sculptures, same story, everything in there was fascinating. But honestly, the most impressive part definitely were the rooms. They were like just outstanding. The architecture behind them, the design, the colors, it was really cool. We're now at this restaurant called Bistro Richelieu, and apparently they have wicked good French onion soup, which is perfect because there's Next stop, Lisa Riley approved bakery.
No.
What?
I'm so full. Can we wait? Can we go somewhere different first?
You have to eat it right away.
We're not eating it right away. We're getting it to make sandwiches later.
Oh. Okay, yeah. Next stop, Lisa approved bakery.
We were originally gonna get one, but
Bubble tea. I was so full and I was like, I just need to get bubble tea.
look, there are ducks at our Airbnb. They're so cute. They're so cute. Okay. They're just sitting out there and watching us now. Oh. What are they? Oh. They're now prowling around. Man, they walk weird. Bonne nuit.
Oh, no.
Good morning. We have some new friends. There are chickens too.
I don't know.
They've just been staring at us through our window for a while. Oh,
Now
they're done with us now.
Look, they pooped in our doormat.
See you later, duck bros and chicken bros.
They don't want to be our friends.
Today is our third day in Paris. It's actually the first time we've had a third day in any city. Today we're doing kind of smaller hidden gems like some small cathedrals and other fun things. And
Yeah, we're not doing it. It's 10 euros.
dang it. Never mind. GoPro, stop recording. As much as we'd like to see that cathedral and as beautiful as it is, we have seen so many cathedrals in Europe, and most of them for free. So paying 10 euro to go to another one, not really that worth it. We're actually starting with,
Because you can actually easily make.
we have yet to get a crepe in France, which is crazy because we've been here for 3 days, but better late than never. Also, this Lisa Riley approved creperie, so thanks, Lisa.
I had already eaten a bite, but Liam tried to hide that from you. I just couldn't help myself.
Okay, so today we made a timed out itinerary because planning the day by time kind of makes it much easier to manage. And on that itinerary, we had 9 things to do. At this point in the day, we were supposed to be through 6 of those 9 things. Of those 6 things that we've attempted to do, 4 were closed due to a national holiday, and 1 was, as you saw, overly priced. That was the St. Chapelle Cathedral. So naturally, we're a bit ahead of schedule. So we had to improvise. Not the worst alternative. An hour later, and we are now going to Place du... Oh my gosh. Look at this! Look at this! Who did?
The guy in the window, he wanted you to come say hi.
Who?
Oh, Liam, with your vlog.
Wait.
The guy in the window just doing the thing, he waved at your face.
They were so cool. But as I was saying, we're now heading to Place du Trocadéro. Supposedly it's the prettiest view of Paris. So. Okay, so by best view in Paris, I guess I meant best view of the Eiffel Tower. It's supposed to start sparkling in about 4 minutes because it sparkles every hour on the hour for 5 minutes once it gets dark. So I'm excited for that. That was well worth it. That was so pretty. Although a lot of the stay kind of went in tubes, that was pretty cool. Kind of redeemed it there. Honestly, a bad day in Paris is a good day anywhere else, so I'm happy. Okay, I gotta keep this quick because I'm trying to keep my videos within the 11-minute mark. But Paris is probably the most beautiful city that I've ever been to. And that's saying something because we went to like 40 cities. But Paris is absolutely not overrated. It is amazing. Okay, that's it for Paris. Our next spot is Madrid in Spain, and I'll see you guys in a few hundred miles. Okay, bye.